California, a land of dreams. A place where the horizon seems endless and the possibilities are boundless. Golden shores kissed by the Pacific. The waves whispering tales of adventure and serenity. Towering redwoods reaching for the heavens. Deserts bloom with wildflowers, painting the arid landscape with vibrant colors. Cities pulse with energy, each one a unique heartbeat in the vast expanse of California. This is California, a tapestry of landscapes, each thread woven with care and precision. A mosaic of cultures where every piece adds to the beauty of the whole. A beacon of hope shining brightly for all to see. From the snow-capped Sierra Nevada, where the air is crisp and the views are breathtaking, to the sun-drenched beaches of Malibu, where the sun warms the sand and the soul. From the bustling streets of San Francisco with its iconic Golden Gate Bridge and vibrant neighborhoods, to the star-studded sidewalks of Hollywood, where dreams of fame and fortune come to life. California is a symphony of experiences, each note a different adventure, each melody a new story waiting to be told. It is a state of mind, a place where the spirit of innovation and creativity thrives, where the pursuit of happiness is not just a right, but a way of life, a place where dreams take flight. California is a magnet, drawing people from all walks of life. Surfers riding the waves, hikers exploring the rugged trails of national parks. It draws dreamers and doers, artists and entrepreneurs. It embraces diversity, welcoming everyone with open arms. It celebrates individuality, encouraging each person to shine in their own unique way. It is a place where anything is possible, where goals are achieved and new heights are reached. A land of endless opportunities, where the future is written, a place where the next chapter of your story begins. Welcome to California, a tapestry of beauty and diversity. 2025, a year that will forever be remembered, a year etched in memory, not just for its events, but for the resilience it demanded. Wildfires raged across the state, an unstoppable force of nature. Fueled by relentless drought and fierce winds, the flames spread with terrifying speed. They consumed all in their path. Homes turned to ash, businesses reduced to rubble, lives forever changed. The devastation was unimaginable. One city, devastated, its beauty scarred, its spirit tested. The community faced an unprecedented challenge. The fires left behind a trail of destruction, a haunting reminder of nature's power. But from the ashes, hope would rise. Communities came together, rebuilding what was lost, stronger and more united than ever before. Amidst the ruins, a spirit ignited, the American spirit, resilience, determination, community. Neighbors helping neighbors, strangers lending a hand. The human spirit is unbreakable. In the face of adversity, we rise, we rebuild, we overcome. The fires may have scorched the land, but they could not extinguish the spirit of the people. Section 4, Rebuilding Paradise, a testament to hope. Rebuilding began, brick by brick, dream by dream. The community came together. They gathered their strength, their resources, and their unwavering spirit. Each person played a part, no matter how small, in the grand tapestry of recovery. To heal, to support, to stand by one another in times of need. They formed support groups, shared stories, and offered shoulders to cry on. Volunteers distributed supplies, ensuring no one was left behind. To create a brighter future, children planted trees, symbolizing new beginnings. Families planned new homes, envisioning a place of safety and love. Community events were held, fostering unity and hope. New homes would be built, businesses would reopen, life would bloom again. The scars might remain, but they would not define the future. The community's resilience was evident in every new structure, every reopened business, and every sign of nature's recovery. A reminder of the past. The charred trees and burnt landscapes stood as silent witnesses to the devastation. Yet amidst the ashes, new green shoots emerged, symbolizing hope and renewal. But they would also serve as a testament to the strength and resilience of the human spirit. The smiles of community members, the celebrations of recovery, and the countless inspirational moments all spoke of a collective determination to rise above adversity and rebuild a better tomorrow. Section 5. A brighter dawn, California's golden future. California endures, its spirit unbroken, its beauty reborn. The fires may have tested us, but they also reminded us of what truly matters: community, compassion, the will to overcome. Together, we will rebuild. Together, we will rise. California's future is golden. Believe in it, fight for it, embrace it.